Oh, you can walk on it. That's good. Because how are you going to get down the other side? Oh, shit. Where's he going? Oh, my God. Climbing over the snowbank. Holy cow, this is ridiculous. Things we do to keep the garage warm.
February 16th. This is the aftermath of our storm. We got dumped on. Shot of it before I start cleaning it up. That's the Honda Accord. That's the Toyota. That's our door that we use to get in and out, which we're not using right at the moment. The wind's still blowing. It's pretty much stopped snowing, but last night the Honda Accord was buried. The wind changed and cleaned some of it off. I have one little shallow spot. The rest is probably 4 to 5 feet deep out there. And I don't know how deep that is. I'm just going to go back in, wait an hour or so for this wind to die down if it's going to. Top. As you can see, that's pretty much level with the top of the eave of the garage. It's getting a bare spot. It drifts like crazy. Guys, my laptop's broke, so I'm just going to make a short update video on the snow here. Take a shot of that. Hopefully the old desktop will pick it up, and once I get my laptop back, I'll get back into making videos. I got quite a bit done to the car. Got a lot of footage, so but I'll wait till I get that back before I try to do anything with it. But I gotta clean this up. I just don't even know where to start. Thanks for watching.